Hey there, it's Melanie from Southern Charm Quilts. We're starting chapter 3 of Cozy Fall Stitches, and this time we're making the pumpkin star pillow. It's sweet, simple, and such a cozy make. The pillow mixes two of my favorite things, a classic star block and a pumpkin shape. It comes together so easily, but still looks like you spent all weekend on it. I love that mix of simple and special. This is a great little project to practice piecing and play with your fabrics. You can go bright and fun or stick with soft, muted fall colors. Either way, it's one of those projects that just feels good to make. You don't need much to get started, a fat quarter for the pumpkin, a few scraps for the star and stem, and your background fabric. It's a perfect stash project if you've got some pretty leftovers waiting for their moment. You can grab the pumpkin star pattern a few different ways. It's included inside the Cozy Fall Stitches class, and you can follow along lesson by lesson. If you're a Quilty Club member, it's also waiting for you in your dashboard. And if you just want to make this one, you can find it for free in my resource library. I've loved watching this one come together. The star in the middle gives it a little sparkle, and the pumpkin shape is so charming. If you're taking the class, you'll find all the lessons inside your dashboard, or you can join the Quilty Club and stitch along with us. Either way, grab your favorite fabrics and let's make something cozy.